Hey guys, this is a video to cover Unit 312 and 002. So 312 for the 2357 and 002 for the 1605. This is the exact evidence I need you to place in 312 folder for the 2357 or 002 folder for the 1605. So it can't be any clearer now with this, guys, right? The first thing, guys, the first part of this assessment is talking about the following: the hazardous waste regulations. This is the hazardous waste regulations here, which you've all got. If you haven't got it, please ask for it and I'll send it again. And I need you to basically just study and relay that information back to me just as it is there, okay? The next thing we're going to talk about is the code for sustainable homes, and all you need to tell me is this is now redacted and no longer exists. The next question is, how would you deal with an environmental hazard? Barrier it off, call your supervisor or call the environment agency maybe. Name a product that you use that is environmentally friendly, LED lighting for example, and how do you ensure you're not wasting materials when cutting containment? Measure twice, cut once is the simple answer to that. Okay, that's the first part of that conversation. The second part is, what evidence do you need to put in your folder? So this evidence that I'm going to show you now, guys, is exactly, and you can get these pictures off Google, you can get them off this guide that you've all got, right? And use them, but these need to go in your folders, okay? Solar PV, wind energy, micro hydro, heat pump, combined heat and power, grey water recycling, rainwater harvesting, solar thermal hot water, biomass heating. That's it. Uh, that is the diagrams, right, that you need to put in your 312 folder. This is not complicated, but you guys are making it absolutely mind-blowingly complicated. So, to recap, hazardous waste regulations and a couple of them little questions. Those diagrams in that folder, we talk about them. That's it. Guys, if you get this wrong after me doing this, I think you need to go and do something else because it is getting to the point where I am going mental.